I'm going to show you exactly how to make a tote bag mockup in Canva using free tools that you can customize for your brand, product line, or print-on-demand store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your own tote bag design, apply it to a realistic mockup, and export it for presentation or marketing use. Let's get started. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, log into your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create a Design and choose any canvas size you prefer. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to Apps on the left menu. In the search bar, type Mockups and select the app that appears. Inside the Mockups section, scroll down until you find Tote Bag Mockups. Canva offers different styles, from plain tote bags to lifestyle photos featuring models. For this tutorial, I'll pick a simple tote bag mockup so we can freely resize and adjust it. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel and upload the logo, artwork, or design you want to feature. Once uploaded, drag it onto the tote bag mockup and Canva will automatically fit it into place. You can adjust the size, position, and transparency if needed to make it look more natural and realistic. Once your tote bag mockup looks perfect, click on Share at the top right corner and choose Download. If you're posting it online, select PNG for the best image quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created your very own tote bag mockup in Canva. It's simple, customizable, and perfect for showcasing your designs to clients or customers. If you want to learn even more Canva tricks, check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to make mockups in Canva, where we go deeper into design setup and presentation. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.